Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can check if your PayPal account is verified. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your PayPal application on your device and simply log in with your account. And once you have successfully logged in, you will be redirected to your account's dashboard. Here you will be able to see all of your assets. Now just tap on the Help tab in the hamburger menu present at the top left corner of your screen. Here, just scroll down on the page and select the contact. To talk with an assistant, click on Message Us button. Now just tell your assistant about your situation and assistant will try to solve your problem. And you can ask the assistant if your account is verified or not. It will answer your query in a few seconds. And that's how you can check if your PayPal account is verified. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.